I'm here to prove that Purple Mattress blows memory foam out of the bedroom.
Only Purple passes the durability test, body heat test, and the all-new HED test, or human egg drop test for the layman. The best test to determine a mattress's comfort and support. Ready, Billy?
No, I just have to...
Perfect. Just look at how the Purple Smart Comfort Grid, made from a super comfy yet ultra supportive material called hyperelastic polymer, cradled those unfertilized chickies. And yeah, they're pretty real. Now how about that memory foam? Take her up! Ready, Billy? Great. See, unlike memory foam, Purple's unique design cradles your pressure points and redistributes support to the rest of your body, leaving your spine properly aligned. So no more back pain, no matter your body type, sleeping position, or frequency of nightmare. Oh, gee! Especially the ones starring your boss.
So what does this mean?
That Purple's comfortable?
Good boy, Billy.
Whoa, Jake, that was terrible form. More wrist.
Oh. Billy, can you clean this up, please?
Yeah.
Did you know memory foam was developed in 1966? That's 10 years older than VHS. And what's crazier is the technology hasn't even changed. You're getting half-century-old technology with all of its problems. So many companies are desperate to call their mattresses high-tech, so they sandwich a little bit of tech into the memory foam. 98% memory foam is still 98% crap. That's a lot of crap you're sleeping on, brother. And sisters. You guys. Purple is the most durable comfort technology in scientific history. While the compact structure of memory foam breaks down and falls apart over time, Purple's proprietary material keeps shape and stays strong. No more lumpy mattresses and no more body impressions. Speaking of impressions, memory foam has a big problem. It sleeps hot, and when exposed to body heat, it softens and loses support, causing you to sink faster than my hopes and dreams at senior prom. Or Blockbuster Video. Those guys, I feel bad, but they made some mistakes in their hierarchy, and they just... Deep sleep requires low stimuli. Purple is temperature neutral. Its grid design and aerated sidewalls create serious airflow so your body heat doesn't affect your sleep. Stop looking for sleep in all the wrong places. Forget memory foam. These tests are real. You really can sleep cooler and more comfortably, all on a mattress that will outlive the family dog. And you can personalize your Purple with our many different comfort levels. Purple perfected the science of sound sleep. All you need to do is experience it. And you can for 100 nights with Purple's no pressure guarantee. So go ahead, try the world's best mattress.
Hey, Jake.
Purple.
Purple.
He's fine, he does this a lot. This is his thing.
Oh, they just kind of
Don't talk and just don't touch either. We gave him a don't talk, don't touch rule. Purple.
Purple.